equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a soft brush for cleaning. Start by unplugging the Dyson SV28 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button. This will give you access to the motor housing. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws located at the base of the motor housing. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor housing off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. With the housing removed, you can now see the motor and its connections. Take a moment to inspect the motor for any visible damage or debris. If you notice any dust buildup, use the soft brush to clean the area around the motor. This is crucial as dust can affect the performance of the motor. If you suspect that the motor is faulty, you can use the multimeter to test the motor's continuity. Set the multimeter to the resistance setting and touch the probes to the motor terminals. A reading of 0 indicates a short circuit, while an infinite reading suggests a break in the winding. If you find that the motor is indeed faulty, you may need to replace it. Before proceeding, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you reckon this is too hard, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you can avoid the hassle of transporting your vacuum. Now, if the motor is in good condition, check the wiring connections. Ensure that all connections are secure and free from corrosion. If you find any loose wires, reattach them firmly. This can often resolve issues without the need for a full motor replacement. Once you have completed your checks and repairs, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the motor housing back onto the unit, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier and tighten them securely. After reassembly, it's important to test the vacuum before putting it back into regular use. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, if you prefer not to tackle this repair yourself, don't hesitate to reach out to us. With our no calls, no travel policy, we make it easy for you to get your Dyson SV28 serviced without any hassle. We are here to help you keep your vacuum running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.